Nifty Gateway is a prominent platform for buying, selling, and trading digital collectibles called Non-Fungible Tokens, NFTs. These NFTs are unique, digital assets that can represent various items such as art, music, in-game items, and more. Nifty Gateway operates on the Ethereum blockchain, ensuring the authenticity and ownership of these digital assets. To make money online with Nifty Gateway in 2024, follow this ultimate step-by-step guide for beginners. Research and understand NFTs. Begin by learning about NFTs, their significance, and the various types of digital assets available. This knowledge will help you make informed decisions when buying or selling NFTs on Nifty Gateway. Create a Nifty Gateway account. Visit the Nifty Gateway website, www.niftygateway.com, and sign up for an account. You'll need to provide your email address, create a password, and verify your account through email confirmation. Connect a crypto wallet. Nifty Gateway supports popular crypto wallets such as Coinbase Wallet, MetaMask, and others. Connect your preferred wallet to your Nifty Gateway account to manage your NFTs and cryptocurrency transactions. Fund your wallet. Transfer cryptocurrency, usually Ether, ETH, to your connected wallet to buy NFTs on Nifty Gateway. You can purchase ETH through various cryptocurrency exchanges and then transfer it to your wallet. Browse and analyze NFT listings. Explore the different NFT collections available on Nifty Gateway, analyze their value, rarity, and potential for appreciation. Research the artists, creators, and projects behind these digital assets to make informed decisions. Buy NFTs during drops. Nifty Gateway hosts scheduled drops where new NFT collections are released. Register for these drops and be prepared to buy the NFTs you're interested in during the specified time. You'll need enough ETH in your wallet to complete the purchase. Hold and trade NFTs. Once you own an NFT, you can either hold it as a long-term investment or trade it on secondary markets. NFTs can appreciate in value over time, making them potentially profitable to hold. Alternatively, you can sell them on Nifty Gateway or other NFT marketplaces like OpenSea, Rarible, or SuperRare to other collectors or enthusiasts. Participate in NFT projects. Some NFT projects may offer additional benefits or utilities to their holders. Engage with these projects by participating in their communities, attending events, or promoting them on social media. This can increase the value and visibility of your NFTs. Resell NFTs at a profit. If an NFT you own becomes more valuable over time or gains popularity, you can resell it on Nifty Gateway or other platforms for a profit. Monitor the market trends and demand for specific NFTs to determine the right time to sell. Create and mint your own NFTs. If you're an artist, musician, or content creator, you can create your own NFTs and sell them on Nifty Gateway. This allows you to monetize your work and engage with your audience in a unique way. Follow the platform's guidelines to mint your NFTs, set a fair price, and promote your collection to potential buyers. Stay informed and adapt. Keep up with the latest trends, updates, and developments in the NFT and cryptocurrency space. As the market evolves, so will the opportunities to make money with Nifty Gateway. Adapt your strategies and investments accordingly to maximize your potential earnings. By following these steps, you can make money online with Nifty Gateway in 2024. Remember that investing in NFTs, like any other financial endeavor, involves risks. Always do your research, manage your investments wisely, and stay informed to make the most of your experience on the platform.